Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your WhatsApp profile link. To do this, it's really easy. All you need to do is head over to any chat or basically text document, it doesn't really matter, because we can automatically create one by typing this exact phrase. So there's no way to actually get it from your profile, you can just copy this, however it's really easy to make it. All you need to do is type in HTTPS and then 2 dots, just like this, and then //. Once you've done that, type in HPI and then type in WhatsApp, just like this, so type in WhatsApp. Once you've done that, type in .com, type in /send, and once you've done that, type a question mark, then type in phone, then type in the is icon basically, and then type in your phone number with country code. So I'm going to type mine in right now, and I just typed in mine right now, and you will already notice it when you're doing this, it will say share on WhatsApp. What I can now do is just send this or copy it to someone. So let's say I send it to myself, just as an example. You can also send this to anyone else you want, of course. And basically once you've done that, you can simply click on that link. And the second you have clicked on that, you will notice that it will automatically bring you to yourself. It will also say message yourself. And basically that's how you can share your own profile link. So yeah, if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.